There's nothing I love more than being back on the Gold Coast. Sun on my skin, wind in my hair, and surrounded by big boats. But for the first time in Selling Houses history, we have a new challenge for Charlie and Shaynna: a houseboat. This was quite literally a rotten-looking area, by no means up to my boating standards. And now we've got new bench seating, planters for styling, a fandangle barbecue, and a bar. Dirty martini, anyone? Speaking as a true seaman, this tiny master bedroom was lacking in, well, everything. Look at all this space and a brand new wardrobe for all of Indiana's bikinis. You can understand why Indiana made a habit of cooking in the dark. This kitchen is now completely fitted out with brand new appliances and topped off with a magnificent stone bench top. There was nothing luxurious about this living room. But thanks to the blaze, we've now got new flooring, new window treatments, and some lovely styling. This top deck was crying out for attention. Charlie has clearly come to the rescue, bless him. Plenty of space to relax, and another bar. I don't know whether to sun myself or order another drink. This makeover has blown me out of the water. Indiana's houseboat now is in a different league. All we've got left to do is sell it.